I'm through trend. Recently, I got myself a wyvern gale from Temu, and it has screws like this. I'm going to try to take it apart. Let's hope that I don't break it. So first, yes, I'm going to remove the screws with this screwdriver. There's something weird, and these holes are basically square and shaped, and the screws or bolts, I'm not sure, are very small. Also, I suggest that you don't do this because this way I once broke my red single layer curves. And now I have taken it apart. Here I have my tusk mount and the parts 580 or 570, either one, and gear ball. So I'm going to try to pull this out. It's hard to do with here we go. So we have the auxiliary blade, apparently oval shaped somehow. The face bolts. I can actually paint this and put it inside. That's cool. The protector of the face bolt basically. And the main blade. Yes, we have 6 Beyblades now. I hope that I can put it back together. But yeah, this part is actually cool, and I'll just check something. Okay, so I think that I am kind of cooked. I shouldn't have done this. The next video will... If the next video has Wyvern Gale, then I fixed it. If it doesn't, then I was cooked.